How to spend down assets for Medicaid. Imagine this. You want to qualify for Medicaid to help cover long-term care costs, but your savings are too high. What can you do? Let's walk through the best ways to reduce your assets legally and smartly. First, paying off debts is a simple step. Use your excess funds to clear credit card balances, personal loans, or even your mortgage. This lowers your countable assets without breaking any rules. Next, consider paying for medical expenses. Cover costs like prescriptions, hearing aids, glasses, or dental work that aren't covered by insurance. Keep receipts to prove these payments. Another good option is home modifications. If you need a wheelchair ramp, grab bars, or stair lifts for safety, these improvements count as exempt or non-countable assets. Investing in your home can make a big difference. You can also buy durable medical equipment, like walkers or hospital beds, or pay for in-home care services to support your health needs. If you own a vehicle, repairing or replacing it with a similar value is allowed. Avoid buying luxury cars or multiple vehicles, as these can be considered excess assets. Prepaying funeral expenses is another effective way. You can set up an irrevocable funeral trust or pay for your funeral in advance, which Medicaid usually exempts from asset limits. Paying a family member or caregiver for legitimate services under a formal agreement is permitted, but it must be documented properly. Spending on travel or vacations for yourself or your spouse is also acceptable, as long as it is not a gift to others. Remember, gifting assets or paying for someone else's expenses can trigger penalties and delay eligibility. Avoid purchasing luxury items like jewelry, second homes, or additional vehicles, and never transfer assets without proper documentation. Always keep detailed records of your transactions, including receipts and agreements. Consulting an elder law attorney or Medicaid planner is wise to develop a plan that fits your state's rules. Each state has different rules about asset limits and spend-down procedures, so local laws matter. The goal is to spend down your assets in a way that helps you qualify for Medicaid while protecting your dignity and financial security. Proper planning ensures you meet the requirements without depleting your resources unnecessarily.